Hello, everyone. This is Reggie with ATeam Appliance. I'm going to go ahead and cut right to the chase. This is a commercial for a washer and dryer repair business, which we are, ATeam Appliance. What makes us different and unique, and why should you use us? Great question. What makes us unique is that most of our appointments are scheduled same or next day, because we know when your washer and dryer goes down, laundry piles up, and it typically happens on your day off. So, you don't have a lot of time. So we consider that, and we do same-day appointment times, worst-case scenarios, the next day. The reason why we can do that and a lot of our competitors don't is because we carry a lot of our parts on our truck. There's only so much that can go wrong in a washer and dryer, so we stock heating elements, we stock couplers, we stock dryer belts, we stock rollers. Now, I know a lot of that is probably foreign language to you, but don't worry, we got you covered. So you call us, message down below. We'll set an appointment up for you. Typically, it's the same day, worst case scenario, the next day. And also, when we show up, we have the highest percentage of any company of first visit complete. And that goes back to having the parts stocked on our trucks. So again, considering the laundry piling up, we're going to get you done the same day, repaired the same day, and get you washing your clothes and get everything done when you're ready. Again, this is Reggie, ATeam Appliance. Message below to schedule your appointment today. Thanks for listening.